Hello everyone, this is Anne from IPNote. Today we will be discussing common questions about accelerated examinations patent in the USA with our IPNote trusted partner Wayne. Wayne has over 15 years of IP experience, making him an expert in this field. Wayne, I have noticed that while many applicants are aware of patent examinations, they tend to get confused when it comes to accelerated examination of patents. So how much faster is accelerated examination compared to regular examination?
Yes, this varies over time, but as of right now, so on the Patent Office website, the United States Patent and Trademark Office website, they have a dashboard for patents that shares where they are at. So as of June 2023, which is the most recent numbers available as of this recording, the track one, well, really there are two programs. They only publish information on the track one, but the other program is going to be similar. So I'll talk about track one, and then I'll talk about what the other program is. So for track one is where you pay an extra fee to get to the front of the line to be accelerated. So on average, it takes, the first step is granting the request to expedite with that extra fee. It takes 2.1 months on average to grant that petition, and 94% of all petitions are granted. Usually it's a small technical error if it's not granted. And then on average, what the next step after the 2.1 months, it takes on average 2 more months for a first examination by the Patent Office. So getting to examination is a measure that the Patent Office uses. So a total of 4.1 months to get to, they call it a first office action. So office being the Patent Office. And then the next step is the average time to what they call final disposition. And that means it's either rejected twice or it's allowed. And around 90% of all patent applications receive at least one rejection. But so getting from the filing to that either allowed state or being rejected twice is an average of 7.2 months with the track one expedited program. Now we're going to compare to if you don't expedite it. So to get the first office action, so we were at 4.1 months to get the first office action in expedited. And without expedited, just the normal, it's the average right now is 16.9 months to receive that first office action. And then that second number, the final disposition, being rejected twice or allowed, is 25.3 months without accelerated examination. So over 2 years, or getting through to either rejected or allowed. Now, when it's rejected twice, you can still keep going. And it is common to keep going and working with the Patent Office. So we've got a difference here from 7.2 months to kind of what they have as their, this is the first, like we finished what you paid for with the filing. And if you've been rejected twice, you don't have to pay a full filing fee, but there's another fee to keep going. So compared 7.2 months to 25.3 months, more than a year difference. So
it makes sense.
Yeah. And there is a second program to expedite a patent application. It's based on age. So if one of the inventors is 65 years of age or older, or if the inventor is in poor health, I haven't done that one but I've done quite a few of 65 years of age or older, then there's no fee. You just have to fill out the form. There's no fee to get it expedited. Now, from the data that some people have gathered, it's a little bit slower than the expedited, but it's close. It's still way faster than the normal. That petition is typically granted within less than 2 months, and 95% of all petitions are granted for petitions based on age. Once again, it's probably technical details that someone gets wrong. Even a typo will get you rejected sometimes. And also there's an electronic petition program, and it fills in some of the details for you. It's on the Patent Office website. And so it's granted 100% of the time. So,
Wow.
Yeah. So, and it's actually granted the same day. So you get right into it. So that's one thing to be aware of. If you have someone on your team who is an inventor, and you can't just name someone an inventor, they actually need to contribute an idea that they conceived of as part of the invention process that you're going to claim as part of this is what makes it unique. So
that's interesting. I have never heard about the second program before. And could you kindly share the criteria for a patent to be eligible for each program?
Okay, yeah. For track 1, that's the one where I mentioned there's an extra filing fee. So you have to apply for that one when the patent application is filed. It's part of the initial filing. You can't enter into that program after filing. Now, if someone files and then learns about this program and says, I really want to get into that, we can basically refile, claim the filing date from that first one, and pay the fee. So there's some extra fees when we do it that way. But the only way to get into the track 1 program is by filing a new application. So it's just paying the fee and having the form filled out when you file. Now, for the second one, it's age or health. So at least one inventor must be 65 years of age or older or in poor health, and it does not need to be filed with the initial filing, and there is no filing fee. They consider if you want, they want people to be able to get the benefit of the 20-year right of a patent, and if they're over 65, they consider, well, they need to hurry up because they might not live to the end of that.
That's interesting. Thank you very much, Wayne, for your time today. I hope that now it's more clear, and see you soon.
Okay, thank you.